What's going on, OBG family? Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to utilize your order ladders to set up your buy limits and sell limits. Open the option menu here, go over to show. Here you have the option to hide or show your order ladder. On the green side, this is where we'll do our buy limit. You just use the cursor, go down to where you want to actually do the order, click on it, set your lot size. I'm going to do a 0.10, which is $1 per pip. Then press the green check mark to confirm this trade. You can then set your TP and stop loss to your desired price. Just follow what you see on the screen. To do a sell limit, just go over to the red side, aim it at the price and click. From here you can set your TP and stop loss directly and then press the red check mark to confirm. And there you have it. You have now learned how to successfully utilize your order ladders to set up your buy limits and sell limits. If you found any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.